Actors Ranbir Kapoor and Deepika Padukone have a working Diwali and gave us a peek into festival at the Padukone and the Kapoor households.
Well, with two very special people on the special occasion of Diwali, and also it's special for the two of you because 8 years in the industry. And when you both started off, it was a race to the top and on the same side of the fence. Has anything changed?
No, it's pretty much the same actually. Yesterday we were it was a surprise for us also because we were on Amit Ji's show yesterday, and I just reminded Deepika, okay, listen, it's our 8-year film industry anniversary, and so it felt great. But where the 8 years have flown, I have no idea. It's been a lovely journey.
I feel like I've just started. Like I feel like I'm just about getting into the groove, and it doesn't feel like 8 years.
It doesn't feel like 8 years at all.
It's Diwali. We've heard about your granddad's Diwali celebrations. Apparently, there used to be 100 tables and a feast. So, is the Kapoor Diwali something like that?
I think, my grandfather really celebrated everything in style. If it was Holi, Diwali. But I think after his demise, it kind of sobered down a lot. And then now the customary new party is at Mr. Bachchan's house, where the entire industry goes. And
That's become like
yeah, he's taken over now.
And is there a Kapoor Diwali secret?
No, it's pretty much like every Indian family, new clothes, Lakshmi Puja, and lots of gifts. It's the day to give, and that's pretty much it. And my father always loses a lot in cards that on a Diwali night, and I know my mother's always upset the next day, but I think it's always forgiven. It's part of Diwali.
And also cards. Diwali is about cards. So, are you good at bluff?
No,
Fun,
that's
not
why
intended.
we were supposed to play flush, but we couldn't because then Deepika had flash. But Deepika had a great idea. Okay, let's play Uno.
What about you? Login cards?
I don't know the professional what like everyone plays during Diwali. So usually when you go to Diwali parties and everyone's playing, I'm usually
The lady luck sitting beside someone.
Yes,
Luck.
usually, usually sending luck or sending positive energy, or then just feeding myself sitting by the food counter. That's where you'll most probably find me. But if it's Uno, then I enjoy it. Then I have a few tricks that I know that I can win a game of Uno.
A Diwali gift that the two of you are expecting this year?
Yeah, there's actually a designer boutique over here. So for Dhanteras, he's buying me a gift.
Star Jodi that we never get tired of seeing. So many more films, and happy Diwali!
Thank you.
Happy Diwali,
Thank you.
to
Happy
you, your
Diwali.
family, and all the viewers of NDTV. Wish you guys a very happy Diwali.